The Carpentry program prepares you for the growing and rewarding field of the building trades. Through construction of a residential home from start to finish, you will learn by working alongside experienced carpenters and specialists, gaining the skills and knowledge needed in all aspects of home construction. You will have opportunities to participate in regional and state skill competitions, obtain industry certification, and earn scholarships for continued training. Over 30 student-built homes stand as proof of the quality, hands-on training you receive. Senior Danny Garcia says it's hard work and not for everybody.
It's not for everybody, So if you really like working on hands-on, building stuff, I suggest to take this class.
The demand for skilled workers in the building trades is ever increasing, and students are often hired immediately upon completion of this program.
For more information, visit your school's Career Center or counseling office.